Hi everyone, my name is Ibel Grey Kantuma. I'm from Greatest Card Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually customize your ribbon on MS Project, okay? Microsoft Project. These are actually your these are different tabs. We have this as a tags, we have this, we have this, we have this. They are all tabs, okay? And then on each of them there are ribbons, okay? Which we are actually going to be going into that right now. Now on my tags, if you come down to at the right hand corner, top right hand corner, you see this showing collapse the ribbon, okay? You can hold on Control F1 to actually collapse this. You can see that has gone off. If I go back to tags, and then you will see like a pin. If I click on that pin, or I can use a shortcut key of Control F1, and then it will actually come back. Okay, now to customize this ribbon, you can do it in two ways. You can come to your file and then come to options, and then on options you will see customize ribbon. Once you click on that, you're going to see by the right hand side the list of all that is included in on your the ribbons, okay? You can see we have under the tags we have view, we have clip, fonts, like that. We go, you have one called GREYTEST, we have resource, we have report, we have project, we have view. This one GREYTEST, I actually just created this just of a recent. I'm going to take that off, but I'm going to create it back in order for you to see how I actually did that, okay? Okay, so if I click on OK, you can see that GREYTEST has actually gone off. It has gone off. So on each of this tab, you see this is for tags, this is for resource, this is for reports, for project, view, help, and then format. Okay, coming back to, let's close this. Okay, we can as well do that from here. Just from you can see my cursor here. Once you hold your cursor there, just right click and click on customize the ribbon, and you can see it has actually bring us back to this place, okay? From here, let's say we want to actually create a new tab. Okay, to create a new tab, all we need to do is just to click on a new tab. Now if I click on new tab, you can see here written new group. So to rename this, I can just right click on at the top of it, and then just give it a name, GREYTEST, okay? And then I can actually use a symbol to actually represent this too as well, but I'm not going to use that for now. And then on it, sorry, I'm supposed to rename this GREYTEST. Okay, so this one is actually going to be under this. Okay, I can just make this I can say personal, okay? So on this, I can actually add so many other tools on this, most especially maybe there are tools which I actually use often, okay? Those tools I know I use all the time. I can actually customize this and place them in one place so that I will not begin to look for them, okay? So in order to do that, I can bring all of them together in a particular tab, okay? These are some of the list of those ribbons that you can see here. I can just any of this ribbon that I know I use often, all I need to do is just to click on it and then drag and drop it here. Okay, you can see that has actually gone under my personal. Okay, if I click on my assigned resources, for example, and I drag to this place, you can see that has actually been added to. Let's say I use copy too often, and then I drag and then I drop, so I can drop in as many as I want on this my personal ribbon that I actually just created. Okay, so all I need to do right now is just to click on OK, and we are going to now after clicking OK, you can see GREYTEST is actually the first tab that we can see here. Under GREYTEST, you can see the auto schedule which we added, you can see the assigned resources which we added, then you can see the copy too as well. Okay, so if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you actually like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel, it's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, you see a red button down below written subscribe, just click on that button and you have subscribed already. It is actually 100% free on YouTube. Okay, and then you love our work, you love what we are doing, and then you want to be a source of support or for sponsorship of actually what we are doing, you can actually call me or you can DM me on WhatsApp. Okay, make sure that you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed. Make sure you continue the series because we are going to cover this MS project